Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda, and today I'm going to be doing a purple smoky eye tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, today I actually have my face makeup on and eyebrows on already, and that's because I am doing a foundation review, and that's why I already done this part. So today's eye tutorial is going to be super fast, super easy, super simple, hopefully. So let's just roll right into it. So we're going to be using some drugstore palettes. This one right here is by Morphe, and this is the 3502 palette. Just excuse mine, the black broke on me, so it kind of got everywhere, but today we're going to be sticking to like the colors around this perimeter right here. So first we are going to be taking this color right here, just all over the crease. So with that first color, we're just going to go all over the crease. Wow. This palette is like super pigmented. I love that. Next up, I'm going to be taking this more neutral brown right here in the corner. And I'm also going to pop that right above the first color. Like right on top of the first color that we just placed. Just to kind of neutralize the orange tones, because I feel like the orange was like hella bright. Next up, I'm gonna go in a little deeper with this color right here and mixing it with this color right here, and we're just gonna go on the outer corner, blending it into the crease as well a little bit. Alright, so next up I'm going in with the LA Girl Hot Heat palette, and this is like the bluish one. There is like a pinkyish one. They have two Hot Heat palettes that they came out with. So this is what this one looks like. How pretty, right, you guys? So I'm gonna go in with this dark color right here, and that one is called Spirit. And I'm gonna put that dark brown on the outer corner, as I normally would. Nothing new here. Wow, it's pretty pigmented, you guys, so just be careful. Next up, we're gonna be going in with this purple right over here. It's called Luau, and it has a little bit of a shimmer, and it's just such a pretty color. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna dip my brush in there, and then I'm gonna be spraying my setting spray on there, just so that way the color is a lot more pigmented and more vibrant. I'm just gonna put, ooh, yes, I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over, and I'm gonna create like somewhat of like half cut crease look. Wow, yeah, this color is pretty pigmented. I really like this palette so far, you guys. Loving it. Loving it. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the dark brown. That's in the LA Girl palette. And I'm just going to go right under there. And then going back into the Morphe 3502. I'm going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to be going right underneath the dark brown. So for lashes, I will be applying the Betty B lashes in the style Insaho. And then right now, while I'm waiting for my glue to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply my inner corner highlight. And I just use like this white shade from the Ofra highlighter. Don't even know what this highlighter is called, but yeah. Alright, so now that the lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lips. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to be using my Il Makiage Natural Moisturizing Lip Liner in brown. I'm going to apply my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color 354 Nudist. Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.